System-level testing involves testing the entirety of the software system or the product to do one last check for bugs. It seems that Thomas Edison invented the term bug way back when, but the more popular story for the first famous bug has to do with a moth that was found inside a computer by Admiral Grace Hopper. Part of the story is that when they removed the moth from the computer, they taped it into the logbook, noting first actual case of a bug being found. The important thing about system test is that it's the last line of defense against shipping bugs. That means it should not be the first and only line, but rather the last time you have a chance to get rid of bugs. A system-level acceptance test emphasizes customer-type usage. In other words, would the customer accept this product as fit for purpose? The layer below that, called software testing in the V, emphasizes aspects not visible to the customer. For example, is the watchdog timer turned on and working? There's an issue here that the watchdog timer is never supposed to actually be activated in use, so there's no way from a customer point of view to actually test whether it works or not because it's never supposed to happen. Therefore, you need something additional, a little beyond what a customer would do to be able to activate that function. The anti-patterns for system-level testing are, first, if you see excessive defect escapes to field testing, in other words, bugs that are not found in testing but are found by customers, that tells you your system-level testing has a problem, and in that case, you probably have problems elsewhere as well. If the majority of system testing effort is ad hoc exploratory testing, probably that system testing is not adequate for an extremely high dependability system. If you have everyday quality software where you're just trying to provide the most testing in a short amount of time with limited budget, that might be a different story. But for highly dependable systems, you should not be doing primarily ad hoc exploratory testing at the system test level. Rather, it should be traced back to system level requirements. The third anti-pattern is acceptance testing is the only testing done in the system. You're skipping unit tests, you're skipping integration tests, you're skipping peer reviews. While you can eventually brute force sort of okay software quality that way, that's a sign that you're really taking the hard path. There are a lot more cost-effective things to do than system testing to improve your software quality.